Thank you very much. It's great to be here in Kilcummin, and we met a lady from home tonight, and we're so delighted. She's a neighbour of our tour manager. She's from Capmore, County Limerick, so we're going to dedicate the first song to her, and she's Joanne Ryan. So, the song is, she's living here now, and she's come from Limerick, so this is most appropriate for her. As I strayed out one evening down by the Assembly Mill, I heard two lovers speaking as me and my love passed on, and the words that passed between them, they were but very few. It's not the leaving of Limerick that grieves me, but my darling, leaving you. In the morning when I am going, I will take you by the lily white hand, and I'll wave it o'er my shoulder in adieu to the Limerick strand. So farewell to the boys of Thomond Gate, it's to them I'll say adieu. It's not the leaving of Limerick that grieves me, but my darling, leaving you. But now that we must be parted, I know you will understand, while I must go broken-hearted, far away from my native land. Though my fond love I must leave you, you know my heart is true. It's not the leaving of Limerick that grieves me,